Think faster, talk smarter. Summary. Speaking in front of people can be difficult. Many people feel nervous when they must talk without preparation. This book, Think Faster, Talk Smarter, by Matt Abrahams, teaches us how to stay calm, think quickly, and speak clearly in any situation. Imagine this. Your teacher, boss, or a friend asks you a question, and you don't know what to say. Your mind goes blank, and you start feeling nervous. This happens to many people. But don't worry. You can learn how to think fast and respond smartly. This book gives simple strategies to help you speak confidently, even when you are not ready. Dear friends, if you're looking to grow, improve your English, and make your life better step by step, I warmly invite you to subscribe and join this journey with me. Why do we feel nervous when speaking? When someone suddenly asks us to speak, we may feel stress or fear. Our brain sees this situation as a danger, even if it is not dangerous. This is called the fight-or-flight response. It is an old survival reaction from our ancestors when they faced wild animals. But today, the danger is only speaking in front of people, not a tiger. Because of this, our body reacts in a way that makes speaking harder. Our heart beats faster. Our hands may shake. We start sweating. Our brain cannot think clearly. Understanding why we feel nervous is the first step to controlling it. Now, let's learn how to stay calm and speak better. How to stay calm before speaking. When you feel nervous, use these simple techniques to feel better. 1. Take deep breaths. Breathing slowly helps your brain relax. 2. Slow down your thoughts. Don't rush. Take a moment to think. 3. Pause before speaking. A short pause helps you organize your ideas. 4. Think about the listener. Focus on helping them understand, not on being perfect. By practicing these, you will reduce stress and gain confidence in speaking. How to think fast and speak clearly. Many people believe that quick thinking is a natural talent, but it is actually a skill you can learn. Here are 3 simple steps to organize your words quickly. 1. Listen carefully. Before answering, make sure you understand the question or topic. 2. Use a structure. A simple way to structure your answer is, start with a short introduction, e.g., "That's a great question." Give your main point, e.g., "I think the best way to solve this is." End with a conclusion, e.g., "So in summary, the best choice is." 3. Speak in short sentences. This makes your message clear and easy to understand. When you think in a structured way, your words will come out naturally and confidently. Techniques to sound. Confident while speaking. Confidence is not about being perfect. It is about speaking in a way that others believe you. Here are some tips. Pause before answering. This makes you sound more confident and allows you to think. Speak slowly. Speaking too fast can make you sound nervous. Smile. Smiling helps you feel relaxed and connect with people. Use personal stories. People love hearing examples. A short, real-life story makes your point stronger. Make eye contact. Looking at your listeners makes them trust you. With practice, these small techniques will help you sound more natural and confident in conversations. Practice makes perfect. How to improve your speaking. Speaking well takes practice, just like learning a new sport or playing an instrument. Here are some great ways to practice speaking every day. 1. Talk to yourself. Look in the mirror and speak about your day. 2. Record your voice. Listen to yourself and find ways to improve. 3. Join discussions. Talk with friends, classmates, or family members. Practice answering random questions. Ask a friend to give you a topic and try speaking about it for 1 minute. 5. Think in English. Try forming sentences in your head before speaking. The more you practice speaking spontaneously, the easier it becomes. Over time, you will feel more comfortable and confident in any situation. Final message. Speak smart, not perfect. Many people worry about making mistakes when they speak, but remember, nobody speaks perfectly all the time. The most important thing is to communicate your message clearly. Stay calm, breathe, and take your time. Think step by step. Use a simple structure. Practice often. The more you practice, the better you will get. Speaking well is not about being the smartest person in the room. It is about expressing yourself clearly and confidently. With the techniques in this book, you can think faster and talk smarter in any situation.